To perform this practical, I am using VMware Workstation with Kali Linux virtual machine. Before starting practical, we need one Google account. Okay, I am using my Google account ETHICALVYASPEETH@gmail.com. To use this Gmail ID to attack, we need to change his security policy. So, to change the security policy, do the following steps. Click on the manage your Google account. Click on the security option and scroll down to the less secure app access area and make them on by clicking to make them on. Your Google account or your Gmail ID now allowed to access the third party application to send the email without using the Gmail account. Okay, now on desktop I also created one text file, and that text file is having the 4 email IDs separated by each line. Now start the terminal window. And run the command SEToolkit, which means the social engineering toolkit is, and that social engineering toolkit is already installed into the Kali Linux. So you just simply type the command SEToolkit and hit the enter. So the SEToolkit is showing you the menu, and it is having the 6 options. Among the 6, you select the one social engineering attack. So pass the one and hit the enter. So under the social engineering attack, we need to perform the mass mailer attack. So select the option 5. So now we are in a social engineering mass emailer attack. Okay, now it is asking us that email attack to the single email address or email attack to the mass mailer. So I already created a one email text file which is having the 4 emails. So I want to attack all 4 emails. So I am giving you the option 2. Okay, so it is asking me the path of the file to import. So I need to enter the path of this email.txt file, which is residing on the /root folder, desktop, and file name emails.txt. Okay, now it is asking me that if I want to use my Gmail account to attack or on email server, so we need to use the Gmail account. So I am passing the option 1. So it is asking me the sender Gmail ID means my, which is ethicalvyaspeeth@gmail.com. Okay, so it is asking me the second option, the name, that which name you want to show while the email is delivered to the recipients. Then I want to show my name, Ethical Vyas. Okay, the password of your Gmail ID. Okay, the priority you want to set your email. I am setting the highest priority, so I am entering the yes. Okay, you want to attach a file or not, so I am not going to attach any file, so I am passing the N. Inline file attachment, so I am still passing the N. Email subject, then I am entering the testing email. Okay, it is asking that your email is in a form of HTML or the plain. I am passing the P for the plain. Okay, now it is asking for the message body. So what you want to type or how much line you want to type, you just type. And it is saying that you want to finish, type the capital N and hit the enter. So I am passing that hello friends, testing email, and I am passing the capital N, END. So SEToolkit is taking the email IDs from the given emails.txt file and do the send. After sending the all 4 emails to the all 4 email IDs, it is going to show me that set has finished the sending the emails, and press enter to continue. So I am hitting the enter, and I want to check that my emails are sent by using my Gmail ID or not. So I am going to browser and opening the Gmail. So it shows me that emails are delivered, but which accounts are not available, it is not delivering. And it also shows in a send part that your email is trying to send on these 4 email IDs. If I am opening my another email leororattack@gmail.com, which is the first one in our list, then it is going to show you that email is successfully delivered to leororattack@gmail.com by using the SEToolkit. So friends, in this video we learned how to attack on email IDs with mass mailer attack using social engineering toolkit. Students, please share your views in comment section, how you like the videos, and like, subscribe and share this video. We will meet with another video of practical tools.